Quite a bit louder.
Big crack.
Yeah. Can you hear me? Can you hear my fingers rubbing? Can you hear them rubbing? No. Okay. Bit dramatic.
I can talk to you about that. I don't want to interrupt you. I just didn't know if you wanted to know of it, you know? Maybe it's another? Yeah.
So cool.
You're finished, doctor?
I love that.
Christine has a question, doctor. Oh, we can talk.
That is so cool.
Can you hear my fingers? You can hear them wiggling. Maybe put them in a little bit different. You need to like block out all the sound. You still hear them?
What?
Good. They're in good. They're in. They're in. All right.
That was loud.
Super loud, right? Super loud.